AIRSA Academy of Safety and Disaster Management. It is an educational and training branch of All India Rail Safety Council. Our prime mission is to provide a safe and sustainable form of rail transport worldwide. While the actual level of safety achieved can vary widely, even with economically developed areas such as the European Union, railways are typically amongst the safest form of transport. Inevitably, this level of safety comes with an associated cost, and balancing safety, performance, and cost is one of the key global challenges for the railway industry. Various approaches are adopted to ensure that investment in safety is proportionate to the safety benefit. Maintaining and improving safety in the railway industry requires the expertise of many professional disciplines, including engineers, operators, safety managers, and human factors experts. AIRSC Academy of Safety and Disaster Management is mainly focused on theoretical and practical knowledge about safety. It includes all type of accidents. Each safety personnel should know how to act before accident, preventive methods for which theoretical knowledge about subject, PPT presentation, first aid and training, industrial visits, practicals, seminars, language skills, etc. are very important. He should be a very good observer, have good communication skills, safety related general knowledge, management, operation and design skill are very important. Experience in safety field should be his first job. He has to study the site of department's nature of job to prevent accident, and to study this he has to go into the practical job environment. AIRC Academy of Safety and Disaster Management focuses on all above matters to make them as experienced safety professionals. Till today, there is no proper awareness about safety. Many are resistant to join just by thinking that it is safety brigade related job. But the real fact is quite different. Nowadays, trained safety professionals are highly demanded. Plethora of job opportunity exist in large number of safety students. An experienced safety candidate from a reputed institute can expect an immediate job opportunity, and pay package are anywhere between 25,000 to 45,000 in India and around 2 to 4 lakhs in abroad. We have created history by placement. Our major placement are in Indian Railways, petroleum industry, government, public sector organizations, private sectors, and many more at abroad. MBA stands for Master of Business Administration and is postgraduate degree in Business Administration. The concept of MBA has become a prestigious and respected degree all over the globe, which is attracting people from various academic disciplines. Due to the safety critical nature and national economic strategic importance, railways often operate in highly regulated environments. National regulatory bodies typically provide the safety framework within which the industry operates, collects safety statistics, monitors safety performance, and undertakes enforcement action against organizations which fall short of the required standard. They are often supported by bodies which investigate accidents and incidents. It is becoming common for those to be independent of the regulator. There are also a number of transnational bodies which facilitate cross-border operations. National safety regulators also compile safety statistics, although the differing basis on which they are collected can make comparison difficult. While the industry globally operates in a wide variety of conditions from the Arctic Circle to the equator, many of the risk management engineers and operators are common to all railways. Safety is a general subject. It is linked with all fields of the world, be it railways, industries, marine, aeronautical, petrochemical, or any other field. Safety is connected to world prevention. Safety of a job is to prevent accidents. Difference between the safety officers and the fire officers is that the safety officers has to act before the accident inside the company and which employees to safeguard prevent accident. But the fire officers act only after accident or rescue operations are only after the accident, which is important. Of course, prevention is better than cure. All India Rail Safety Council offers MBA Safety Management, MBA Disaster Management, BTech Safety Engineering Diploma and PG Diploma courses in safety to make them prepare for safety field and to become safety professionals.
So friends, please join with us in this noble cause. Thank you.